Good morning, everyone. I am Shani of grade 8. Today I am going to deliver a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, an Indian lawyer, anti colonial nationalist, and political ethicist. In India, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, 2nd October, is a national holiday. Globally, Gandhi's birthday is celebrated as the International Day of Nonviolence. On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, multiple events like campaigns, rallies, poster making, and speeches are organized in every nook and corner of the country. On this day, educational institutions organize various cultural and academic programs to inculcate the value of leadership, simplicity, and integrity in students. After completing the early education, he went to London for higher studies. Mahatma Gandhi completed his law degree from England and returned to India in 1891. After being unable to start a successful law practice in India, Mahatma Gandhi moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He went on to stay for 21 years in South Africa and returned to India in 1915. After coming back to India, he started organizing peasants, farmers, and urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination by British government. In 1921, he formed Indian National Congress and led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, ending untouchability, and above all for achieving Swaraj or self rule. Gandhi led Indians in challenging the British imposed salt tax with the 400 kilometers Dandi Salt March in 1930 and later in calling for the British to quit India in 1942 during the 1947 partition of India-Pakistan. Gandhiji helped many displaced Hindus, Muslims, and Sikhs. Some people thought Gandhiji was too accommodating. Among them was Nathuram Godse, who assassinated Gandhi on 30 January 1948 by firing 3 bullets into his chest. The lifestyle of Gandhiji was very simple. He ate simple vegetarian food and undertook long fasts as a means of self purification and political protest. He taught lessons of ahimsa to many people across the world. Now let's learn about Mahatma Gandhi's personal life. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Originally a lawyer, Gandhi's knees used to tremble when asked to speak up in front of a large crowd in London, where he went to study as a barrister. With passing age, his memorials concluded that the man had transformed from a quiet, shy barrister to India's leading voice that has led the country to its freedom. His struggles to overcome the obstacles can be an inspirational topic to give a speech on. Now let's learn about Mahatma Gandhi's movements. Mahatma Gandhi has played pivotal roles in the major protest movements like Dandi March, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement that helped India to get its independence. Millions of people used Gandhi's ideologies of non-violence and peace to protest and at last they regained their long lost freedom, voicing his opinion and views projected Gandhi as a noteworthy leader. His leadership skills can certainly inspire students to take a better and peaceful approach. International Day of Nonviolence. On June 15, 2007, the United Nations General Assembly voted October 2nd, that is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, to be rightfully observed as the International Day of Nonviolence. The idea behind it was to disseminate and educate the masses about the message of nonviolence in protests, activities, and everyday life. Mahatma Gandhi's ideology of ahimsa inspired India's citizens to peacefully protest against the Britishers. It left the British Empire wondering how to even tackle such peaceful protests. This speech idea can be decorative with ample examples of Gandhi's take on the protests. Principles and quotes. Mahatma Gandhi lovingly called Bapu left behind a string of quotes and principles that are observed with utmost importance to this day. His inspirational words and philosophies attracted the people in an instant and motivated them to live their lives based on strong principles. Gandhi's memoirs have been appreciated as one of the most influential, encouraging, and heart-turning memories ever. He led his praiseworthy life, yet he stuck to the ground to achieve the country's dream for independence. Message to the youth of India. The youth of a country together has the power to move mountains and achieve anything they want to. Gandhi always believed that the youth of a nation is responsible for the country's uplift and development. The nation's responsibilities lie on the shoulders of the youth. Sentiments, actions, and unity bring together the citizens of a country led by the upcoming generation. The speech idea of Gandhi's message to the youth is bound to make every student and teacher listen to you with the utmost attention. The struggle for independence. Mahatma Gandhi never praised himself. He only wanted the nation to realize its potential together and prove the Britishers wrong. To speak about Gandhi alone would be like going against his wishes. So it is all the most important that a speech about India's struggle for independence and freedom should be highlighted as well. The hardships that India faced for centuries is incomparable to anything else. We stand here today all because of these freedom fighters and especially Mahatma Gandhi, who contributed their lives solely to free India's soil. Now let's see some quotes written by Mahatma Gandhi. An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Where there is love, there is life. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. If you don't ask, you don't get it. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Action expresses priorities. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute to the strong. The future depends on what we do in the present. Hate the sin, love the sinner. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. These are some of the quotes written by Mahatma Gandhi. Let's see some books written by Mahatma Gandhi. My Experiments with Truth, India Home Rule, The Essential Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, All Men Are Brothers, Pathway to God, The Collected Works of Mahatma Gandhi, Satyagraha in South Africa, Mind of Mahatma Gandhi, Key to Health, The Gospel of Selfless. That's all about this legendary person, and I hope you understood the importance of Mahatma Gandhi and why is the International Day of Non-Violence celebrated and the struggle he did for independence of India. Thank you for watching my video.